Okay, class. Your teacher is in jail because she was caught stealing a drink at the bar. So yeah, a beer. So yeah, she's in jail. She went to jail like 10 days ago. I didn't want to tell y'all because I thought y'all get sad. Yeah. You're actually a better teacher. Thanks. Okay. So what are you gonna be learning about? We're going to be learning about. We remember when we had to study through the math test? I forgot what I was saying. I was gonna go to the bathroom, and then I want to pull the fire alarm. Good, thank you. Sir, Mr. Luke. Yes, Daisy. Can I go to the bathroom? Sure, you may can, but hurry back. So do. I think it's time to put the flame into action. Okay, class, this is a fire drill. We have to go. Are you okay? Oh, yeah. Now to jump off the roof. Whoa! Whoa! Ow. Okay, we're here. Okay. So where's the fire? What are y'all talking about? Someone put the alarm? Okay, that was not me. I was in class, and then the fire alarm just goes off. Wait, was it you, Daisy? Come on, tell the truth. Cut it, right now. Fine, yes, it was to skip the math test. Okay. Where's the fire at? Where's the fire at? Where the flip is the fire? What is going on? Yeah, what's going on? I don't know. Come on, spit it out. Spill the beans. Come on. Yeah, tell us the truth. Alright, fine. It was to get out a math test our teacher was gonna assign us to do. Okay, that's it. Come here. Anything that happens, you pull the fire alarm, not just to skip things. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear? Sorry. Jeez, officer. No need to shout. Yes, need to shout. And you do not say jeez to me. Understand me? Ow, my head, my lip. You hit my lip with your head. That's good. Really good. That would teach you never to pull the fire alarm again. Do I make myself clear? Yeah. No, yeah. It's yes, sir. Fine. Sir. Weirdo. Arr! You are going to... I was going to make you go to jail for 1 year, for saying jeez to me 2 years, and for making that grow at me 3 years. So, yeah. And for making that face at me 4 years. No, come on. I'm too young to go to jail. I'm only what you thought? I'm only 8 years old. I want to stay in jail until 12. No, I want to miss it on my birthdays. Oh, you should have thought about that in the first place before you pulling. Fire alarms is just for emergencies, not for to be pulling it just to skip things. Like I said, not just to skip things. It's only for emergencies. Come on, let me go out with these handcuffs. No, you're going to stay in them. Do I make myself clear? How many times do I have to tell you to stop being rude? Does it not get for your head? What happened? I can't explain. We were just in the neighborhood and we heard the alarm went off. Yeah, like your mom said. Well, sounds like your daughter had pulled it. Please, Mom. No. Help. Simon. Truman, help. Ugh. Well, that would teach her a lesson, never to pull it again. I know, right? Okay, so yeah. When they got to jail, You are the leader of the star. This is not the silence. You have been surrounded in court. That's it. Time to go to court. The end. Wait, actually not the end. So yeah, you have been surrounded in court for so many days. You are in big trouble, Missy. And no, you're just flattening out to turn that you are actually flattening around for a round. Yeah, you are flattening so many times. This is not the first time. Please, sorry is not gonna cut it. Sorry will not cut it. Time to restart. This is you have been surrounded in prison. This is not even going to end well. I am not playing around. I'm not playing around. You are really going to jail, and I am not kidding. Do I make myself clear? You are surrounded in jail. This is not going to end well. Do I make myself clear? I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Sorry is not gonna cut it. This is really serious. You're going to, like the other cop said, you are going to be surrounded in jail for 4 years. No way, you cannot be serious. I am serious. Keep restarting. Yeah. This is the worst day in my whole entire life. This is not happening. Please, I'm sorry. Like I said, sorry is not gonna play it. Please, please. No. Where's Dad? He's at work, and you are going to be, when you get out of jail, you're grounded for 5 days. No, 4 days. I'm staying in prison until I'm 12. He said 4. That's gonna teach you a lesson. Jeez. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye.